Welcome back, guys. Today I'm gonna be showing how to make a spawner mob farm that will be grinding, that is multi-purpose. At the same time, it will also be able to grind grind for axes and swords with mcmmo. Now I'm not going to say too much about this, so let's just start building. First, you're going to be needing a chest here. Next, you're gonna be needing this. You're gonna be using magma blocks, 2 blocks high. A card there. From there, you're going to be doing something like this. Okay. Cover it up. Okay. Now, I'm going to switch it up a little bit. Sorry for the noise, my home's just been doing a renovation. I'm gonna be using torches, buttons, and a piston. Mm-hmm. So sorry for the noise. I'll just do this later. Times. Now, this will be our firing mechanism. So, if there are some mobs you don't like to kill, like for example, you want to start a villager farm, this will throw out the villager out of your kill zone over here. So basically, it lets you choose whatever you want to kill or not. So for now, we're gonna start off with the actual farm here. So we're gonna be making a 5x5 platform. Now, depending on what mob you're gonna be doing this for, it will auto kill, or you can also kill it. It will also weaken, and you can also kill it by yourself. So it makes things faster. So if you're dealing with more than one mob, all of them will receive damage due to the magma block. So if you're using an axe and you're killing everything slowly, it should speed up how long it takes to kill everything when they are all being deducted due to the when they're all being weakened due to the magma block there. Sorry for the noise. You're just gonna be using a sign here, a redstone lamp, some torches, and a lever. Now sign here, one water here, one water there. From then on, something like that. Right now it's off. Okay, now here will be our on off switch. So if the farm is on, the mobs will be spawning in, and if it's off, the light will also be off. Right now it's off, now it's on. From there we're gonna seal it up. Now depending on what mobs you're gonna be using, let's say you're gonna be using wither skeletons. Since wither skeletons have like greater they're actually a lot bigger than they were before. They're no longer the same size as skeletons. They're the same size as husk and those winter skeleton dudes. So depending on what mob you're gonna be putting in this kind of spawner, you should also set the height. So if the door is this big, you should also have a height, a little bit more leverage height over here. Probably just add a slab. And if they're so big, like if they're really big, like normal size for the mobs are like 2 blocks high. So you just need a height of 3 here. One would be for the water, one would be for the mob spawning, because mobs don't really spawn on water, so they need space there. And then aside from that, depending on what size they are, you should also give like a leverage. So if they're more than 2 blocks high, you should give them like 4 blocks difference. That'd be one for the water, the rest for the mob. Now we're gonna put some spawners here. Let's add some strays and some zombies, and probably some zombie villagers. Now let's turn it on. From there, you should be able to receive. You should be able to cause reparable damage to the mobs. Wow. Well, that was quick. So basically, you should be able to cause damage to the mobs as they fall into the pit, and you are also given the choice to yeah, I'm having a hard time today. So basically, that's about it. That's it for the spawning. Now let's move on to the other thing. Maybe putting something over here. Are there? Whoops. Some wire there. A button here. And lastly, a ladder here. And there we have it. So we have our villager button here. If we ever wish to make a villager, we can just simply hop over here to this ladder. We can hop over there to this ladder, throw some throw some splash potions, give it an apple, and then finally set down over here so that you'll be able to spawn onto the water. Oops. It has its tweaks there, but it's all an improvement. Well, that's all for now. This is my multi-purpose mob grinder, auto mob killer, and yeah, basically it's all in one purpose. Thank you and goodbye.